I'm going to go ahead and open up Field Maps. I'm going to press on the map that you want to add the asset to. In the upper right-hand corner of the map, you see the crosshairs. By pressing on it, you will fill in that circle with a dot that will center the map on your location. On the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, you want to press on the plus mark. Go ahead and fill out the form. Once you're done filling out the form, press on the check mark in the upper right-hand corner that saves the asset to the feature layer. Now you can scroll back down until you find Launch Write RFID Android. Since we're using an Android device, go ahead and press on that link. You see we're ready to write with built-in NFC. We want to use a UHF reader, so in the upper left-hand corner, press on the 3 bars you want to press on NFC to deactivate it, and press on the button External Reader. If your reader is in this list, then you want to go ahead and pull the trigger on the reader or turn on the reader. Then press on the entry. If you see towards the bottom it says, "We're now connecting to a TSL reader," you will want to point the UHF reader towards the tag and pull the trigger. Go ahead and scroll down until you find the InfraMarker ID field. The ID field has been filled out back up to the upper right-hand corner. Press on the check mark, and now you've added an asset to your field maps by using the Launch InfraMarker RFID.